For maths today, children, we're going to use something that we like to build with in the nursery. We're going to use some Lego. We've got lots of Lego in our nursery. We like to build lots of different things. So I've just brought some in here to show you the activity. So what I've got is some number cards. Before we do that though, we're going to practice counting. So we're very good at this now. Let's clap and count today, all the way up to 10. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This time we're going to use our whispering voices and we're going to roll out our numbers. So each time we say a number, we're going to show that many on our fingers by rolling them out carefully. Do you think you can have a try? You're getting very good at this now, aren't you? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. Okay, so these are our lovely Lego number cards. Now, on each card, it says the numeral. That's the number, what it looks like. And then it's got a different amount of Lego pieces. And it shows you how many you need to make that many in that tower. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera down now so that you can see the table. Okay, just move my book over there, and I'm going to put the number here so you can still see it. I might move it up a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how we can count that many Lego pieces. So there's lots of Lego pieces here. Now I can see there's the number 1, and I can see 1 piece of Lego. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see if I can put it here. There we go. Look, it matches. There's 1. That's 1 picture, and there's number 1 numeral, what it looks like. Okay, let's see if I can find the next number. What's 1 more than 1? 1, 2. 2 is 1 more than 1. Let's put this on here. We'll put it next to it because it's like a number line then, okay. And it's telling me again. That's what the number looks like, number 2. And it's got 1, 2 pieces of Lego. Did you see how my counting finger pointed to each one so I didn't miss any out? 1, 2. So I didn't miss any out that time. So I have got, I'm going to copy what they did. So I've got all these that I need to count with, and I've got 1, 2. Look at that, children. I've counted them just right, okay? So here now we have another number. Let me see. What's 1 more than 2? We've got 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1 more. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is 1 more. Let's pop that on here. Oh, you can't quite see it there. Let's move it up so you can see how many. I can see now. Can you see? So we have the numeral. This is what it looks like when we write it down. And then this is the amount. And we've got 1 red one, 1 yellow one, and 1 blue one. 1, 2, 3. Did you see my counting finger? It didn't miss any out. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if I can count that many now. So I would like 1, 2, 3. Look at that. We can see I've got a tower. It's getting more and more each time. Okay, now let's see if I've got 1 more number card. We've got 1, 2, 3. What's 1 more than 3 that could go here? 1, 2, 3. That's right, 4. 4 is 1 more than 3. Let's see if I can put it on here. Okay. Ooh, can we just about see? Yes, we can. Now we can see the numeral. That's what it looks like. And we can see the bricks. We can count them with our counting finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if I can count 4 out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then, we have a tower now of 4. It's getting more and more, children. Let's see if I can find another number card. So what will it be next in our number line? 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more makes 5. Well done, 5. Let's see if I can find the numeral that looks like a number 5. I found it. I'm going to put it here. Let's see if we can still see how many goes in our tower for number 5. We can just about see it. Okay, so we have, let's use my counting finger. Here it is. It's going to come down here and point to each brick to see how many I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bricks I need this time. See if I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Well done, Mrs. Nolan. So I've got my tower. I've got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see how it gets more and more each time? Now, we were learning yesterday a little bit about using the words more than or fewer than. Okay, so you can see as it goes, as we add one more and more and more, it gets more than number 1. But if we look down and the towers get smaller and smaller, that means it gets fewer than 5. Okay, so as it gets smaller and smaller, the amounts, that means it's less than or fewer than. Okay, so if we look, fewer than means less than. Fewer means it's getting smaller. So let's have a little look. If I now show you number 1, let's take these all away for a second. Ooh, they're all hiding. Now if you look, there's 1. Oops, can't see it if we move it. There's 1 and there's 5. Okay, so we can say, you see how much more? Look at that. When you put them next to each other, phew, that one's very short, that one's very tall. That one's got more bricks than that one. And this one's got fewer bricks than that one. Okay, let's see. So maybe you can play a little game at home now. You can get some little towers. You can make a tower like me with each number, and then I might choose a different amount. I might choose the one that's got 3 in. Right, there's 3. Okay, so can you now make a tower that's got fewer bricks than 3? Fewer. Remember, that means less than. Fewer bricks than 3. I'm going to show you. There's fewer bricks than 3, just 1. 1. So now I'm going to make a tower that is more than 3. It could be either of these two, couldn't it? Because it gets more and more each time. I'm going to make it with this one. So look, we can go 1, 2, 3 and carry on counting. 4, 5. That means it's got more than 3. And this one, we wanted less than, fewer than 3. So as long as we don't get to 3 when we count, it's got fewer than 1. Didn't get to 3 then, did we? So that means it's got fewer than. 1 is fewer than 3. And 1 is actually fewer than all of these numbers. Just 1 on its own. Can you see? Fewer than 3. More than 3. Smaller. Bigger. Wow. Right, you go and have a go now. Have a go at making towers with any bricks or anything you can find, actually, If you haven't got any bricks or Lego bricks, then you can use cushions. Try and think of things that you've got at home. Cushions, or maybe some pasta, or maybe some lumps of Play-Doh. You can use anything, as long as you're using those words today, more than and fewer than again. Okay, well done everyone. Go and have some fun.